Listen, if you keep banging on the car, your handcuffs are gonna go back behind your back. You're laughing because I'll switch them right now.
Okay, and then I'm gonna go to the same place I was
Okay,
before.
yeah, you will.
Baby, bail me out!
On the 4th of July, 2024, in Daytona Beach, Florida, officers contacted a 20-year-old visitor from Ohio on a crowded public beach. The encounter raises 4 legal issues: identification obligations under Florida law, the resisting without violence threshold, probable cause development through voluntary admission, and custodial duty of care.
What's your name?
It doesn't matter.
How old are you?
It doesn't matter.
Well, you appear intoxicated to me. Come over here. Come over here.
I'll fucking walk you a straight line, brother.
Sit down. Sit. Sit down.
It doesn't
Sit.
fucking matter. Get the fuck off.
Okay. Come sit down.
Get off me.
Stop. Come back over here and sit down. Sit down. Stay there.
Can you please fucking video this? Please. Am I fucking doing something wrong?
Yes, you are. Calm
Calm
down.
What am I doing? Read it to me.
Well, now you're
Tell me.
resisting.
Resisting what? Standing here? Is that actually for real?
Relax.
I'm relaxed.
I don't know why you're acting like that.
Can I ask what I'm staying for? Okay.
Standing on back
Okay.
and resisting.
Okay.
Yep. That's why you're being detained.
I'm not trying to be difficult.
And not in the car, but I told him to figure out tomorrow.
You're 21?
No, ma'am.
How old are you? You're 20? From Ohio?
Yes, ma'am.
What you doing in Florida? Spring break? Summer break? Hanging out? Alright. Is your parents down here or is it you? Just you? Alright.
Yeah, I'm in the home.
You're in college?
I'm actually in cosmetology. I'm doing cosmetology.
Oh, okay. My mom did that. She's a cosmetologist.
And those boys are going to come down
So
here.
what do you, is it nails or hair? What are you into? Hair? Okay. Nice. So what type of hair? Are you basic trimming and or actual?
And blonde girls and all that good stuff. We got here about probably 2 o'clock. I'm not sure. It's great. You guys want to
I was just asking if you were doing it. I don't know if you're all doing it. Yeah, no, that's somebody here. I was just going to look.
Okay, but you have one.
I just told you
Here, send a unit centers at the command post. If you want to take turns coming up here, you're more than welcome to.
Here with you now. You have any credit card?
Sorry, yes, all true.
So how are you buying stuff on the beach? You want to sit down?
Over here.
Let me interrupt you. As you guys try to be more and more vague and quiet, you're making it worse for yourself, all right?
I'm gonna check you again because I don't know if they can hear me properly.
Okay,
You're
again.
still drinking underage,
I am?
so that's still a problem that we're coming across.
Okay, well that's my name and there it is for you.
Okay.
MAKAYLA.
Do you have shoes or no?
Somewhere in the car.
Which car?
Wherever the Subaru Legacy is.
I think they might have left you.
Well, they're right there, so I don't think they left me.
Cooperation makes everything better. Okay. Well, maybe smart to stay away.
There's a lot better things for you guys to do, but I guess carry on.
Well, we're just doing our job.
That's fair. That's fine.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna walk up the stairs up here, okay?
Okay, am I going by myself?
Right now, yes.
You guys want to take one each?
Yeah. Watch your step. Hold on, slow down, slow down. Do you have any property that you want me to grab?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, watch your step, watch your step. Hold on.
Florida is a stop and identify state. Under Florida Statutes Section 856.021, a person who has been lawfully detained must provide their name upon an officer's request. The subject's opening response, "It doesn't matter," was legally non-compliant. However, the Fifth Amendment limits the scope of that obligation. A detainee must identify themselves, but is not required to answer questions that would tend to incriminate them. The subject had no obligation to explain her conduct, only to give her name. Simultaneously, the male companion's physical resistance, pulling away and telling the officer to get off, satisfies the elements of resisting an officer without violence under Florida Statutes Section 843.02, a first-degree misdemeanor carrying up to 1 year in jail. The officer's decision not to arrest for that resistance was tactically sound. On a crowded holiday beach, with an intoxicated subject and bystanders present, initiating simultaneous arrests would have compounded risk without proportionate legal benefit. The officer then shifted to conversational de-escalation, discussing cosmetology, school, travel, family. This technique, known as normalization, reduces subject anxiety and builds voluntary compliance. It produced the information compulsion had failed to obtain. Critically, this questioning occurred during an investigative detention, not a custodial arrest. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, 1984, Miranda warnings are not required during routine field detentions, even when direct questioning occurs. The subject's responses were admissible. Florida Statutes, Section 562.11, makes it unlawful for any person under 21 to possess or consume an alcoholic beverage. A first violation is a second-degree misdemeanor, up to 60 days in jail and a $500 fine. 2 elements: age under 21, and possession or consumption must both be established. Both elements were established by the subject herself. When the officer stated, "You're still drinking underage," the subject responded, "I am." That 2-word answer, voluntary, uncoerced, and captured on Bodycam, simultaneously confirmed her age and admitted active consumption. It is a textbook party admission under Florida evidence law. That admission is the probable cause event. Before it, the officer had reasonable, articulable suspicion under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, sufficient only for an investigative stop. After it, she had probable cause for a full custodial arrest. The subject crossed that threshold herself. Had the subject remained silent at that moment, the officer would have faced a significantly more difficult path to probable cause. No breathalyzer, no field sobriety test, and no container was confirmed in the footage. The voluntary admission removed every evidentiary obstacle.
Let's go. Come on. Come on. Watch your step.
I do not understand what the fuck you did compared to anyone else. Imagine arresting some people that are about to just get right out. Like, what's the point? I don't mean to be rude to you.
This way.
Can I just ask?
Let me get you in the car first, okay?
Okay.
Come this way. Okay. Have a seat for me.
Once custody was established, the officer's in-vehicle conduct deserves independent analysis. She repositioned the subject's handcuffs from behind the back to the front, offered a tissue, and confirmed the subject's asthma status before making accommodation decisions. These actions are not legally required, but they reflect a recognized constitutional standard. Individuals in custody retain Fourth and Eighth Amendment protections against unreasonable conditions of confinement, even during a brief misdemeanor arrest and transport. Practically, these accommodations are the most effective prophylactic against civil liability. A subject treated with dignity is substantially less likely to allege mistreatment. The officer's conduct here preempts any credible use of force or conditions of confinement complaint.
Okay, so Michaela.
Yes.
Okay. All right, girl.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. I have gloves on, so you're fine.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
You're fine. You're fine.
I know it's just really stuffy.
Do you want to blow your nose? You can.
I can't do it.
Is that better at least?
It's better.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can you turn and face that way? I'm gonna take those off and put them in the front. I got it. You're good.
I'm just curious.
I thought he had ass cuffs. So that's different.
Yeah, I just don't know if he etched them or anything, so I'll just give him this pair.
Yeah. I don't think there's serial numbers or anything, but.
Thank you. Just put your hands like that. That's more comfortable. This
Like
way.
this?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm so sorry
You're fine.
for all of this. Thank you, I appreciate it.
Listen, if you keep banging on the car, your handcuffs are gonna go back behind your back. You're laughing because I'll switch them right now.
Okay, and then I'm gonna go to the same place I was
Okay,
before.
yeah, you will.
Baby, bail me out! We'll see you guys soon on Daytona, baby! I'm sorry, I forget you. I love you guys! I'm sorry. Hey, David, buddy! Does it feel bad that this is my second time? I love you guys!
We know.
The responding officer receives an A. The probable cause chain was legally clean. Observed intoxication, lawful detention, voluntary identification, on-camera admission, custodial arrest. De-escalation discipline was sustained throughout. Custodial care met the constitutional standard at every stage. The subject receives a C+. Her initial non-compliance with the stop and identify requirement was legally problematic. Her voluntary admission "I am" was the single statement that converted a detention into a probable cause arrest. Her subsequent full cooperation prevented a significantly worse outcome. The male companion receives a B-. His physical resistance in the opening seconds satisfied the elements of Section 843.02. He was not arrested for it, but that was the officer's discretionary choice, not an indication that the conduct was lawful. The central lesson of this encounter operates on two levels. For citizens, the right to remain silent is most valuable at the moment an officer states an accusation. You're still drinking underage is not a question requiring an answer. Silence at that moment carries no legal penalty and preserves every subsequent defense. For law enforcement, this footage demonstrates that de-escalation is not a concession, it is a force multiplier. The officer obtained a clean, voluntary, camera-documented admission by building rapport rather than applying pressure. That admission is more legally durable than any compelled statement could ever be. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.